2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
So this is a little town inside of Lee Summit. What is the name of this little town, baby?
It's called Unity Village.
Which is a really nice place to have like a prom festivity or like a party photos. So you can do your photo sessions here with all your friends and have fun. So it's pretty cool. It's so nice. And well, my baby was telling me something about this, which she will continue now.
This is a bell tower, and then this is the chapel. This is a village that is started by the Unity Spiritual Foundation, and there's not very many people who live here. There's under 100, and but they let other people come and enjoy the peaceful fountains and the beautiful landscaping and all the architecture.
And yes, and this is right here in Missouri. Big. Beautiful.